All right, these I believe are the main elevators at Arapahoe Community College.
Going up.
I don't know what these were, probably Dover. Yeah, it looks like it. I think that's, is that Dover blue? I can't tell. These might be US green, it's hard to tell. And look, there's an elevator right there as well. We'll film that after.
Track?
Traction for four floors is nice.
Fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Oh, that one goes up more. Interesting. We'll have to take a look at that.
Oops.
First floor.
Bingo. Hopefully it's not out of service. Well, hold on. Just wait for now. And that's it.